This is the GoPro Volta, and this thing is so cool. It's a stand for your GoPro plus a charging, like a portable charging station, a really great like way just to hold your GoPro rather than holding the tiny little camera in your hand like this. Just a really good way if you're walking around to kind of hold it around like this. What it does is it charges itself with this little cable here on the side. So you just plug that in and it charges up. Let me just make sure I get that in properly. Oh, not getting the right angle. There we go. Perfect. So there, it's got buttons on the side so you can control, you can turn it on, hit record, etc. on the side here. I absolutely love these little legs that pop out. So cute, so that you can have it standing up if you want to film yourself or something like that. Best feature about this, I think, is that you can swivel the top so that you can have your GoPro facing each direction of the actual Volta here. Such a cool little thing, and there's a mount on the front here so that if you want to, let me just do that, I always push it the wrong way. There's a mount here, so if you want to clip it onto maybe your backpack strap or, you know, mount it to a fence or something like that, that's a great little mount just there, and that pushes in nicely. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling with this today. It's me, it's not the product. But yeah, such a great product and a great addition to your GoPro setup. I highly recommend this thing, so go and get yourself one.